Hey there, Sage Math students, and welcome to homework 3.1, ratios and rates. So I'll be doing problem number 1. What is the ratio of gorillas to monkeys? So we have 6 gorillas, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 8 monkeys. Again, so we want gorillas to monkeys, so 6 to 8, or 6 over 8. And then once we do that, obviously we want to simplify. So if we have a fraction, let's simplify that by dividing by 2. And that gives us our answer of 3 over 4, or 3 to 4. So the answer here is A. All right. Let's go down to number 3. The diagram below shows the rate at which a student was reading a book. According to the diagram, how many pages did the student read per minute? So here we have minutes on the bottom and pages on the top. So if we take a look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. And so now if I wanted to take that ratio and I want to do pages per minute, I just take 6 over 8. And simplify it by dividing by 2. And we'll get our answer of 3/4 pages per minute, so B. Number 5, examine the following rectangle. What is the ratio of the shorter side compared to the longer side? So we have the shorter side compared to the longer side, so we're looking at 0.5 compared to 2.5. And if we go ahead and ignore the decimals just for a second, it looks like we have something like 5 over 25, right? So then we go ahead and just divide by 5. And we'll get our answer of 1 over 5. In that case, our answer is A. Backside. What is the ratio of shaded squares to unshaded squares? So we have 3 shaded squares, 3, and unshaded we have 1, 2, 3 by 3, so 9 unshaded squares. So not shaded to total, but shaded to unshaded. So basically we're looking at 3 to 9, or 3 over 9. Obviously, go ahead and divide both of those by 3, and we get our answer of 1/3. Number 9, the image below represents the composition of boys and girls in Mr. Wang's class. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So let's count up the number of girls we have, and we have to be very careful here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 girls. Oops, spelled girls wrong. And then how many boys do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boys. We want girls 2 boys, so basically just 16 over 8. 16 over 8, if you simplify by 8 on both, you get your answer of 2 over 1, or just 2 to 1. A. Joanna paid $8 for 12 cookies. About how much did Joanna pay for each cookie? So we're trying to find the price per cookie. So dollars over cookies, which in this case is equal to 8 over 12. If we go ahead and say 8 divided by 12, and we can simplify this divided by 4 on both, we get 3/4, and hopefully if you know 3/4 of $1 is 0.75, right? 75 cents. So she paid 75 cents per cookie. You could also check your answer by simply multiplying 0.75 by 12, and you should get $8. And lastly, 13. 7 friends equally shared 6 candy bars. How much did each friend receive? So think about 7 friends, 6 candy bars. They're all not going to get a whole, so we're doing candy bars per friend. So that's 6 over 7. And now if we wanted to divide that out, we could do some long division. 7 into 6, decimal, decimal, 0. The 7 goes into 60 8 times, that's 56. 4 left over, bring down another 0. 7 goes into 40. 5 times, it's 35. 5, bring down another 0. 7 goes into 50, 7 times. It's 49, 1 left over. Could keep going and going and going, but they've received about 0.857 of 1 candy bar, which exactly they receive 6/7 of a candy bar. Alright, so number 14 is very similar to number 13 there. Number 12 is pretty similar to number 11, and that you want to find the unit rate per hour. So in this one you want to be doing miles over hours, right? And this one you want to be doing money over hour. So you're going to have to do some pretty hefty division on this one, right? If it's 295.75 over 35, you want to figure out how many times 35 goes into 295.75 cents, right? This one's very similar to number 7, and then you can do the rest. Call me if you have any questions.